Those are some huge rambutans. The prices look a little high for the fruits that I've seen so far, but you know, I haven't seen jackfruit out on the streets or at the store yet, and this lady right here has some, and it's not for too bad of a price. It's about 60,000.
Good morning, Russ.
Good morning, Russ.
Getting lost in the maze here, holy. I try and dodge some people when they're sitting there busy bartering.
Má mà đủ mày, cái thằng này thiệt đấy.
You buy t-shirt, so pay for you.
Oh, some better ones here. They have a lot of sports shirts. If you were into different types of sports, they definitely got you covered here. Look at that, you can get something tailored in 24 hours.
$1, you pass this?
Yeah, $1. $1 to pass? Oh goodness, a little jokester.
You want t-shirt for you?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Adidas.
How are you today?
Huh?
Are you good?
I'm be good.
Very good, yes.
YouTuber.
YouTube, yes.
À, đúng rồi, đem số lại hả?
How much is the You Mad Bro? Yeah, how much is that one?
280.
280, okay.
Yes, I sell only you. For you?
How about the What the Fo?
Okay.
What the Fa?
Phở.
Yeah.
For you or for someone?
For me.
Okay, come
Yeah.
here. I share.
Has to be large or extra large.
For you, extra large.
Yes.
I know your size.
Okay.
One more you made bro and what the phở, right? You buy two.
Well, I might just do What the Pho.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you what the phở đi con. Tiếp theo. I show you.
Okay.
This one large. I show you extra large.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Do you have like black?
We have many colors.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else you buy short?
No, I think that's all.
Okay. One more shirt.
No.
Where you from?
Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Yes.
Canada now very cold, right?
It is getting cold, yes.
Oh, you want the jacket?
Over here, yeah.
You like jacket, though?
Mhm.
You like jacket?
Oh, no, no.
No,
I won't be back in Canada for the cold weather.
Cái này có lát rồi nha.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I have.
Hopefully hide the sweat.
Yeah. Lấy cậu khác đây làm. Cái này 2 ít 3 ít đó, mày thấy chưa? One minute ha, I show you.
Okay.
Có hai
Yeah, they have a
colour.
lot of options here. It's really cool.
Black color, right?
Black.
Ô số này cô. XL. No, this one large. I show you extra large.
Yes.
Rồi, màu đen. Only black hả?
But how much for the
This one
what
cheap.
the yeah,
180.
180?
Yes.
What if I give you 100?
170 only you because this are 100% cotton. You see?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't cheat you high rise because you are the first customer. See, lucky for me. This one lot 100% cotton, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 170 only you.
Well, I don't know. Would you do 120? 120
Okay,
for that.
150 only you. Okay.
I think 120 is fair.
Please, only 30 more.
I know.
$1 more. Please. Morning ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do 140.
Okay, you
Yep,
win.
perfect. Thank you.
Wait a minute, huh? I show
Yeah.
you extra large, okay?
May I try it on before I buy?
You can try on
Okay.
the side first.
Perfect.
Here, you try the side first, help me.
Do we try this one?
Don't worry, you can try same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, extra.
Over shirt or off?
Yeah, over shirt.
Okay.
See?
Nice.
Perfect, right? Happy, right?
Yeah, very happy.
I know your size.
Xíu không mà nó đi dài.
Cool, right?
Cool. Nó happy. Nó quay cũng rồi đó. Rồi đúng rồi mà, biết mà. Thank you.
Thank you.
Handsome.
Thank you very much. I'll try this one.
Okay,
though.
can you
Yeah.
try?
Nó biết cái nấc ở đây là
Yeah, very cool. Gotta get down.
biết cái
We
mật
got
độ
some
của
people
cây
behind
này
the
á.
camera
Đây
watching
là-
Coi
it.
có tìm coi có nào có theo không vậy? Hả?
Oh, this one tiny. See?
Khá là
Oh,
được. Ê, I think you wrong. I see.
It's extra large, but
No, this one large.
uh-oh.
Here, black color.
Okay,
Here.
try the black color.
Yeah, hello.
I'm trying to hide the sweat. The gray will show it.
Oh, quality good.
Đó, vô hẳn luôn. Oh. It's okay.
Little tight, but it's okay. It's good. It's
You're
good.
so nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Think.
What the phở?
I know. If you say pho improperly, what's it mean?
Phở the noodle.
Yeah, but if you
Phở.
say pho,
Phở bò.
it means a different meaning, right?
No, phở.
But you're saying it with a pho.
Yeah, phở.
But what's pho?
Phở, the same.
Same?
Yeah.
I don't know. We had a Vietnamese friend say that pho means prostitute,
Phở.
like a different meaning.
No, phở.
No. Yeah, so what's pho?
Phở.
All right. Same. Yeah. All right.
Hà
Thank
Nội
you very
say
much.
Phở.
Pho. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good one. I don't know. Our little friend Mimi there said that pho means prostitute. Pho. Yeah, they're liking it. Yeah, it's cool. You can like take a little break, come back out onto the streets here. This little tripod that I got really helps out with this. When I was in Mexico, I was having such a hard time. Yeah, check it out. 140,000. I'm sure I could have gone a little cheaper, but jeez. Jeez, that was hard. All right, I've had enough fun in the little market today. Let's go stroll the streets. Hello. Very good. How are you? How much to clean the shoes?
100.
100?
Yeah. Hectoliter. Where you from?
Oh, not. What about 60?
Okay.
60, yeah.
Okay.
I'm from Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, nice.
60.
Oh, I don't smoke. Thank you. All the ladies trying to sell you cigarettes. How long have you been shoe cleaning? How long?
Huh?
How long you do this job?
2 months.
2 months?
Yes.
You're fresh on the street. Pretty sweet.
Oh, what?
Hello.
Oh, where?
Yeah, very cleaning. Shoe cleaning. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chụp và nó trả số chụp đánh cái này anh.
Sao ạ? Mẹ mày có biết nói tiếng Anh đâu mà mày ngầu đấy mày đứng mày nói chuyện.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We got a spectator. They're getting mad at that guy. We'll go do peaceful. Peaceful over here.
Okay.
No, they don't like that guy. I don't think there's water in that guy's water bottle. That guy drinking maybe too much.
Simo Italy.
Mm.
Simo.
I've never had these shoes cleaned since I got them, and that's been over a year ago. Lots of action here near the Ben Tong market. Freaking right back into it in Vietnam. They're looking good. Wow, look at the comparison between the two.
Yeah.
Wow, you do a very good job.
Thank you.
That's actually insane, the color difference between the two shoes. It's funny how he does like one and then the other. You can really see how good of a job he's doing. I love how they come super prepared. Like, you don't have to stand in your shoes while they clean them. They got these little slippers that you can wear. Let's check out the scenery. The wild Bentong market right there. Huge skyscrapers. Getting your shoes cleaned. Motorbike parking like crazy all over the sidewalk. Oh, he's even gluing it together.
Okay.
Perfect job.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, you no change. You did a good job.
Thank
Do you
you.
want any candy? You want one of these?
Yes.
You like candy?
Yeah.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no worries.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck. Have
Yeah.
a good one.
Yeah, have a good day.
I'll give you your slippers one sec. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, dude, what a good job. That's crazy. They're like brand new. And the little tips there were fraying off, and I was actually worried about that they were gonna like break there. And I'm sure he added a few months onto my Hokas just by gluing all that rubber on so it doesn't rip off.